Well, today, the man accused of threatening to shoot up Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, he pleaded not guilty in federal court. A grand jury indicted Billy Joe Cagle on 3 criminal counts in late October, including attempted violence at an international airport and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. 11 Alive's Grace King explains what's next in this case.
On October 20th, a federal complaint accuses Billy Joe Cagle of driving to Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport in a, quote, attempt to perform an act of violence. Law enforcement says he had an AR-style rifle and 27 rounds of ammo in his truck when Atlanta police intervened, preventing a possible mass tragedy.
What are your reasons at the airport right now?
But Cagle's attorneys say the government's version of events doesn't tell the full story.
We ask that everyone reserve judgment until you hear all the facts in this case. We continually are treating this case as a medical issue and not an issue of malice criminal behavior.
Warrants show Cagle has a history of schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and substance abuse, and that his family believes he was off his meds at the time of his arrest. That's why Cagle's attorney, Preston Halliburton, told a federal judge they're asking for a competency evaluation before anything moves forward.
We're going to make sure that our client's properly taken care of and his rights are protected.
The judge gave both sides 2 weeks to submit any pretrial motions. The government says it expects the trial to be relatively short once it starts. In downtown Atlanta, Grace King, 11 Alive News.
Yes, so Cagle's attorneys didn't make a new motion for bail, but they say that they do not believe he poses a risk to the community.